fix YouTube TV not loading. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix YouTube TV if it is not loading properly. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the YouTube TV official website. You can also use your YouTube TV application in your mobile device or in your laptop or PC as well. And after that, just simply log into your account using your credentials, and once you are logged in into your YouTube TV account, just simply go to the troubleshoot option where you are facing the problem, and after that just locate the on TV or computer or mobile device wherever you are facing the problem and in which you will get the solution. So in order to fix your not loading problem in the YouTube TV app, just simply restart your browser or your device completely. So just close and reopen your web browser and restart your router and restart your computer again, and this might fix your problem regarding not loading the YouTube TV app. And you can also check your browser if it is updated or not, and update your browser accordingly to the latest version if it is not updated till date. And after that, just consider using Chrome for the best YouTube TV experience, because YouTube TV supports Chrome as of now quite easily. And after that, you can also check your internet connection speed, and if it is not good enough, just simply reopen or restart your router and just make sure that your connection or your internet speed is quite well, so that for your YouTube TV to work completely fine. And also see your location and permission for the YouTube TV app. Sometimes it also creates problem. So this is basically how you will be able to fix YouTube TV if it is not loading properly. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.